Here we are on the Story Home site in Blackburn. The Sycamores got weep holes full of mortar. That's a brick tie that's been incorrectly set on the cavity and blown the point in. The front elevation, there was nails everywhere, looking like they've had something fastened to the wall, but they've not removed them. It's not very good. The electrician, this is the power to the garage, has drilled from inside out and blown the brick. That now needs replacing. The hockey sticks for the gas and electric boxes should have clips fitted. This is part of the utility provider's standards and is in their manuals, so they've not been fitted. Also, the electric box was damaged. Again, plastic surgeon can repair that, but the customer's moved in. And inside, it looks like they've had a go at filling the hole and it's just sagged and slopped itself about. In the hallway, the front door sill wasn't packed underneath or sealed, and the floor tiles needed sealing to the sill. The front door reveals was out of square, and the utility door reveal was out of square quite considerably. Not very good. Nobody's checking. Nobody cares. Here we are. In the utility, we've got paint on the grout, expanding foam on the skirting boards that all needed cleaning away. Again, front door, or utility door sill needed sealing. Not very good. No attention to detail. Nobody's checking. Nobody cares these days, are they? In the utility, there's obviously been a leak at some point. The wall was all water stained and they've had a go at patching the ceiling where they've cut through to repair it. But again, customers moved in, it's not been fixed properly. The landing window, it's like the joiner's been dragging materials through it and damaged all the top of the sash frame. Again, these things should have been picked up, dealt with long before the customer got the keys. It's not acceptable and it's not good enough. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and click the notification bell for more videos. Thank you.